If you want to be an elite engineer, you need to be creative and smart and be part of a good team, and you need to have the best tools. So that's always been my philosophy, and I always go with it. Now, what happens, what holds people back? We learn these tools. These tools are very complicated. I mentioned before that I started working with different CAD softwares, and I always moved along. At first it was because it was what the project demanded, but then I started to appreciate that sometimes you need a better program for this. And once I was able to choose, I personally ended up choosing a tool like Onshape for the simple reason that it never crashed. I would be doing work with SolidWorks, and it would crash once a week. And when SolidWorks crashes, if you forgot to save your work, you lost your whole day of work. I think we could all sympathize that losing our whole day of work, if someone takes the memory card and throws it at the thing and you lose one day of work, none of us would be happy. So that was a simple reason I moved to a different program. But many people wouldn't make that move. Why? Because they're experts in SolidWorks. It's very hard to move from different CAD programs to different CAD programs because you become an expert. It's like learning any tool. And sometimes you develop these, there's a whole industry around it. Some people, let's say you paid to do a SolidWorks certification and you invested 1 year or 5 years of your career to become an expert. And now you're a SolidWorks certified expert. Where's your interest to say, this isn't the best anymore, I need to move on? It's very hard, and I emphasize, because it's almost if I were to be told, listen, you did wonderful things for 20 years, everything you know, it's kind of useless now. It's time for you to move on and learn something else. And yeah, it's a scary thought, and something in the general, that's a different philosophical discussion of AI, but it's something that's, as an engineer, you need to be aware of. You need to know the best tools, you need to be forward with that, and you need to make sure your team is good. So all that to say, you don't just need to be good at what you do, you need to be good at getting better at what you do. And working with tools like Leo is definitely part of that. It's the base of that philosophy.